Hello,
Hello,
my name is Yan. What's your name?
my name is Rosie.
Hi, Rosie. It's nice to meet you. That one. Next. Yes, yes, very good. How old are you, Rosie?
I zero.
Okay, very good. And how are you today?
I'm good.
Are you ready for your next speaking test?
Yes,
Okay, so look at the picture. What is it?
it's blown.
Balloon. Okay, what is it?
It's a tree.
It's a tree. And please look at this girl. She's holding balloons, right? Okay, what is she wearing?
She wearing a yellow t-shirt and blue skirt.
Okay, very good. Look at this girl. What color is her dress?
It's pink.
What color are her shoes?
It's blue.
Okay, what is it?
It's a pie.
Okay, thank you so much. Now look at these pictures, Rosie. Okay, tell me, which is the lemon?
It's here.
Okay, that's correct. So I'm putting the lemon under the bike. Okay, under. So I'm putting the lemon under the bike. So what can you say about this lemon?
The lemon is under the bike.
Okay, that's correct. Now get the lemon and put it on the tree. Okay, where's the lemon now?
It's on the tree.
Okay, that's correct. Now, which one is the school bag?
It's here.
What's the color of that school bag?
It's green.
Okay, green. Put the school bag under the balloons. Okay, under. Okay, so what sentence can we make out of this? Sentence.
The school bag is under the balloon.
Okay, that's correct. Which is the t-shirt?
It's here.
Okay, put the t-shirt next to the bike. Okay, so what can you say now about that t-shirt?
The t-shirt is next to the bike.
Very good, that's correct. Okay, what is it?
It's a slide.
It's a slide. Okay, put the slide near the boy who is jumping. Okay, he is the boy who is jumping. Okay. So what's the sentence?
The slide is near the boy
The boy who is
jumping.
jumping. Very good. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so look at these remaining pictures. What's this?
It's a bus.
It's okay, a bus. Do you go to school by bus?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what's this?
It's a pizza.
Pizza. Do you like pizza?
No, I don't.
Okay, what's your favorite food then?
My favorite food is banana.
Banana. What animal is this?
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep. Do you see the sheep on the farm? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Okay. What is it?
It's a bookshop.
Bookshop. How many bookshops are there near your house?
There are 5 bookshops near in my house.
Okay, 5 bookshops. That's too many. Okay, let's talk about you and your family. Okay, listen to the questions. Okay. How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Very good. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Tố.
How old is he?
Is
He is
36
36 years old.
old.
Okay, very good. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Queen.
Okay, how old is she?
She is
Is her age. How old is she?
36 years old.
Okay, 36. Have you got a brother or a sister?
Brother.
Brother, how many?
There is one.
Okay, only one brother. What's his name?
Is
His name
his name
is
is Man.
Man. How old is Man?
Is
He is
he
his. That's
is
correct.
13 years old.
13 years old. Is your mother's hair short or long?
Is sharp.
Short. Do you live in a house or in an apartment?
Living.
In I live in
I live in a
house or apartment?
apartment.
Apartment. How many bedrooms are there?
There are 3 bedrooms.
How about living room? How many?
There is one living room.
Okay, what's in the living room?
Is sofa,
Sofa,
toy,
toys,
TV,
TV. What else? That's all.
is flower.
Flowers, a flower vase. Thank you so much. That's all for your speaking test. Good job. Goodbye.
Goodbye.